Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It can be your adventures, and today is actually the last day of 2021. It's December 31, 2021, and we're approaching a new year in a couple of hours from now.
That's it.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
There you go! Today is actually the last day of 2021. Woohoo! We survived this year and we're approaching a new year already. In a couple of hours. It's gonna be 2022 in a couple of hours, and I just wanted to record a random vlog about how I spent my last day of 2021. So guys, better stick around and be with me on the last day of 2021 on this adventure. I just wanted to first greet you, advance Happy New Year to everyone, and belated Merry Christmas to all of you. And as you can see in front of me, ang dami-dami nating regalo. These are actually the gifts that I received this Christmas. And to all of you guys, shout out to all those people who gave all these gifts to me and to my wife. Thank you very much for you guys. You rock. Before you continue with this vlog, don't forget to click the subscribe button on my channel, It Can Be Your Adventures, to get a hold of my life here in London and anywhere else in the world. And also don't forget to click the bell button to continue receiving notifications with all the vlogs that I'm gonna upload on my channel. And also guys, I'm gonna take this opportunity for being with me all throughout my passion in vlogging. Thank you very much for all of you guys. We're continuously growing, and thank you so much guys for giving me so much inspiration to continue the things that I do on my channel. And rest assured, I'm still gonna continue and do more. Hopefully, this is my promise for myself for the following year, to upload more videos that is inspiring, informative, and also fun and exciting on my channel. So you guys rock, and better stick around and be with me all throughout. Thank you very much once again. I just can't believe that this year is finally over in a couple of hours. I can't believe that I survived this year, all the challenges, celebrated a lot of victories, fought so much battles, most of them silent battles that I have to surpass in this year. And I'm really thankful to God that He's given me opportunity to be able to be inspired, to be able to be an inspiration to a lot of people through the things and through the works that I do. Let's start opening all of these gifts. Ang dami-dami nila, so we have to like really start doing this. So this one. Wow. Ooh. So actually I prepared a box here where I can put the gifts. So someone gave me this. Wow. Shower gel. Ooh, truffles. Thank you so much, Kuya Richard, for this. Let's open a gift from Mel. Oh, wow, a lunchbox. Thank you. So, which one's next? So, from Annie. Let's see. Sabi, ang daming gifts. What is this? Oh wow. Thank you. So tataba tayo nito. Ang daming food. My God. And from Giselle. There you go guys. Wow. Thank you Giselle for this. Let's see. Look what she gave. Wow. Very nice. Thank you. chocolates. Chocolates and a spray travel bottle. Oh, magagamit ko to when I go for travel. Thank you very much. Thank you Ate Lenny and Kuya Richard for this. Alam nyo guys, hindi ko talaga binuksan to for Christmas because I just wanted to like do this at the end of the year. And also, I'm really grateful for 2021 that despite of all the challenges, I know that there's a lot of things that's happening around us. The pandemic, back in the Philippines, there are hard hit areas in the Philippines because of Typhoon Odette. My prayers are with you guys on these challenging times, and it has actually like taught me to really value and appreciate the things that I have right now. For there are a lot of people out there are very challenged, who have nothing at all. It makes me so grateful that I'm alive, that I've still got the chance and opportunity to do the things that I can do, and I'm really thankful for that. It's given me so much motivation to actually do more, and also to inspire other people, you know, to give myself purpose for other people as well. So to you guys, kapit lang, laban lang, and you know, life must go on, and we have to approach life with positivity. So let's continue. So I think this is from Cherry V. Thank you, Je, for this. And also here in the UK, it's always like a tradition for cards to be given during special occasions, and much more so during Christmas. That's why I love Christmas, and also I love New Year's, because people give you cards. And to all those people who has given us cards, Christmas cards, New Year's cards, thank you very much. All over the world, I received all your cards. Thank you very much for all of you guys. It's down here, and I've read each one of them, and I'm really thankful for those warm greetings and messages for the Christmas and the New Year. Thank you very much, guys. Oh, what is this? Ooh, look at this! Wow. 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 Look at that. Oh my. Oh wow. It's nice. Look, whoever is my Secret Santa, thank you very much for this. Yan. Also guys, thank you very much. I'm really thankful for all the blessings that I've received for 2021, and much more so that our channel, my YouTube channel, is continuously growing, and there are a lot of positive messages that I've been receiving for my channel, for all the things that I do. You guys are my constant inspiration why I continue the things that I do. This is from Hazel. Thank you very much for this. Wow, look at it. Oh, wow. These are mugs. Amazing. Thank you so much, Jeff, for the gifts. Oh my. Thank you. Wow. There you go, guys. So, you know, it's not about the gifts. It's actually about the thought process. No matter how simple the gifts are, for as long as it comes from the heart, I really appreciate all of this. Thank you very much. Oh wow, look. Shucks, look at this, guys. A laptop desk. Parang akong nanalo nito ng loto. Shucks, thank you guys for all of these gifts. Wow, look at this. So guys, while I continue opening remaining gifts that are unopened, so here's a recap of how my year was on this snippets of video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you afterwards on this. I feel afraid. I feel but it's alright. welcome to our adventure. Thank you, Ase! Bakit? No, but you have to like really start off with your adventures as well. Good? There you go. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Made it to the top! Woo! Bakit may ganyan? Parang ako ba yung gisinurprise mo? Thank you. Yay! Finally! We made it! Alive! I love you, Aaron! Oh my god, you're not here. This seat would have been you.
Yes. Man, where are you?
I know, right? Thank you, sister. That's ready. That's ready. Oh, it's ready. It's ready. Itkenbeyouradventures. Bye. So guys, we've opened already the gifts. I'm gonna show you gaano kadami siya. Good. All those. So for those of you guys who gave all of these gifts, thank you very much. From the bottom of my heart, on behalf of Elle, we send you all our greetings, our warm greetings for this New Year celebration. Thank you very much, guys. And also, now, time to pack my things. We're heading to Von's place and we're gonna spend New Year's Eve and New Year's celebration in his place. Say hi to the vlog! Say hi! This is my wife together with the gifts. My wife together with the gifts. There you go. We're actually, this is now the new normal, opening gifts virtually. Hi, Mommy. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Right, guys. So now we're heading to a cafe, a Brazilian cafe, Minero Cafe, here in Wilson Junction, to meet Juan Carlos, who's also a very good brother of mine. And we're just gonna spend some time to have coffee and yeah, to have some sort of like catch up before this year ends. So I'll see you guys in a moment. Right, guys, thank you so much, and we're finished already, and we've had a good, nice catching up before this day ends. And tomorrow is gonna be New Year, and I've got to know Laura. Hello. And Juan, of course, subscribe to his channel, Juan Carlos. So don't forget to subscribe to his channel. And we're gonna go on to the next activity after this, and still be with me on this last day of 2021. Time to eat. Sige. Happy New Year. Juan, say hi. Jess. Jeff.
You know, it creeps me out. You're not the artist.
Happy New Year! Woo! So we're almost approaching the New Year here in London. So we're currently now here in one of the area here in Canada Water. We're actually here. There you go. A few more minutes. 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes. 2 more minutes. It's 2022. 2, 1. Woo! So guys, there you go. It's finally 2022. It feels surreal that 2021 has finally come to a close, and we have approached a new year, year 2022, to make our dreams come true once again, to make a new list of goals and dreams to aspire and to achieve. So we're ready for it, and I hope you guys are also ready.